Well, I don't think there's a problem in terms of benchmark. I've argued that we shouldn't be following our international obligations in UNCRC, but I think there are other obligations that could be at risk if we only focus on UNCRC. That's part of the argument. The other argument about legislation, of course, is, you know, you're right, we do have legislation about education, we do have legislation about childcare, we have legislation about all sorts of other things, which is, I have to tell you, is breached as often as UNCRC is on a daily basis. So the fact that it's in law, you know, I could give you umpteen breaches of the Children Act every single day that happens in this country by local authorities that have disregard for their statutory duties under the Children Act. So simply putting the thing in law is not an absolute guarantee that every article of the convention is going to be followed absolutely firmly and with conviction and implemented properly, simply because we've convinced the government that they should put it in law. There probably needs to be something more that needs to happen before that takes place. Otherwise, I say, my fears are that you have it on a statute box. The risk is that the UK government uses it to wave its flag and say, look at what we're doing, etc., etc., whereas the reality on the ground doesn't actually match what appears to have been the commitment given.